Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how you can import your journal entries in Odoo 70 in 2025, then this video is for you. First thing you have to do is you have to log into the account. When you are logged in, you have to choose the accounting. Now after choosing the accounting section, you can find this type of interface where you have to choose this accounting again. Now from here you can find this this bunch of options in this header section where you can find this accounting option. Now simply click on this accounting and you can find journal entries. Now you can go to the journal entries, and from here you can create or upload any journal entries if you want. So here is the new option here. Simply click on new. So from here, if you want to upload it, then you can actually create it manually, or you can find simply click on this. So from here you can create a new one, but I'm going back here. Now when you are on this accounting section here, accounting and journal entries, you can find this gear icon beside the journal entries. You have to simply click on it and you can find import records. So you can simply click on it and you can upload the data file that you have. For example, this is a sheet here. If you simply upload it, then it will take the sheet from here that and upload the file, and that's how you can enter or import a journal entries on Odoo 17. So that's pretty much easy. You can test or import any more of them. Simply click on import, or you can cancel it from here. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.